It turns out your heart is less team player and more independent contractor with its own agenda. Your heart has been marketed to you as the emotional center of your existence, the poetic little drum that beats only for love, stress, and regrettable life decisions. Romantic, loyal, inseparable from you. Absolute nonsense. Because biologically speaking, your heart is perfectly capable of carrying on without you. Not metaphorically, not symbolically, literally. If removed from the body and supplied with oxygen and the right conditions, the human heart will just keep going, beating, pumping, doing its thing like it hasn't just been evicted from your chest cavity. No dramatic shutdown, no existential crisis, no whispered, I can't go on without them. Just steady, rhythmic contractions, like it's clocked in for another shift. The reason for this unsettling independence is something called autorhythmicity. Your heart contains specialized pacemaker cells, mainly in the sinoatrial node, that generate electrical impulses all by themselves. No permission required from your brain. No motivational speech. No external command. Your nervous system can influence the speed, sure, panic makes it race, calm slows it down, but the core rhythm? That's all internal. In other words, your heart is self-employed. This is why heart transplants work. A donor heart, once connected and supplied with oxygenated blood, doesn't need to be taught how to beat. It just resumes like it paused a podcast halfway through and is now pressing play again. Surgeons don't switch it on. They just give it what it needs: oxygen, nutrients, proper connections, and the heart gets on with it. Even more unsettling, this phenomenon has been demonstrated in labs for centuries. Animal hearts have been observed beating in controlled environments long after removal. In some cases, human cardiac tissue can continue contracting under the right conditions. It's not alive in the full sense. There's no consciousness, no coordination with the body. But the muscle itself doesn't particularly care. It has one job, and it will continue doing it as long as the chemistry allows. Which raises an uncomfortable thought. Your heart is not the emotional core of who you are. It's a muscular pump with excellent PR. All that symbolism, heartbreak, love, courage, has been pinned onto an organ that would quite happily keep beating on a lab tray if given half a chance. Meanwhile, your actual sense of self, your thoughts, your identity, that's all happening in your brain, which, for the record, is dramatically less chill about being removed from the body. So the next time your heart skips a beat or aches with feeling, just remember, biologically, it's just doing its job, efficiently, relentlessly, indifferently. It doesn't beat for you, it just beats. Humans are weird. Subscribe for your daily reminder that your body is both astonishing and quietly undermining your sense of importance. Weird humans. Share the weirdness here. Share the newsletter.